Hi everyone, welcome back to Roblox Chef Master. Today we're going to be making another really yummy breakfast food item. We're going to be making some waffles, but not just any waffles. We're going to be making some fruity Pebbles banana Belgium waffles. Now don't forget to comment down below and let me know what other recipes you want to see. Alright, let's rock and roll. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
I'm a flower.
Okay, I know you're a flower. 2 cups of Fruity Pebbles cereal. Which one looks yummy to you? 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Wait. Ew! Are you rusty baking powder? Yeah, we've been sitting here for years. Nobody has even touched us. Okay, I'm sorry, but we can't use you. I'm sorry. We need some fresh new baking powder. No! Woo! Okay, we're back. Like I said, we need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Fresh baking powder, that is.
I'm so fresh and so clean.
You'll also need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
Oh, you're so cute.
And you'll also need 1/4 cup of sugar. I love me sugar. And you'll also need 3 ripe bananas. I don't know why these bananas are so bright though.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
You'll also need 2 eggs. These eggs look kind of funny if you know what I mean. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of reduced fat buttermilk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and by the way, you look real oily, or shiny should I say. Lemon for lemon juice. And last but not least, we need some whipped cream. Or you can use some ice cream if you want. Alright, to start, we're going to take a large bowl and we're going to add in the flour. So flour, go right in. Hey, they look happy. This is a great start of a recipe. Next, we're going to add in some baking powder. Look at that cute little baking powder. And then some baking soda. Now, if you want your waffles to have a little bit of a sweet taste, go ahead and also add in some sugar. I'm also going to add in some salt just to balance out the sugar a little bit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in some bananas or some bananas. And then I'm going to add in our cute little eggs. Oh, you're so cute! And we can't forget about the vanilla extract and some buttermilk. Last but not least, add in some oil so it's not so sticky. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix it all away. Alright, once you mix it all up, you should have something that looks like this. It's basically a flour mixture, and you want it as smooth as you can get it to be. Next, you'll need a waffle iron, and we're going to have to preheat this. And I don't know if you noticed, but I think my waffle maker is kind of broken. But hey, let's just ignore it because it still works, I think. But anyway, yeah, preheat that waffle iron for like about 2-3 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our mixture in there. There it goes. And then we're gonna go ahead and let that mixture sizzle on the waffle iron for at least until it starts to turn golden brown. And then your waffle is gonna start to turn a little bit brownish. And then it's gonna start to have a little bit of texture. It looks like we're getting close. Oh no, I forgot about it. It turned all burnt now. Okay, we're gonna have to start this over again. Okay, here's my next batch. And we're gonna put it on here and let it sizzle again. This time, just remember, we want it to be a crispy golden brown. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, I like the texture and I like the color of it, so I think it's ready. I'm gonna take it off this waffle iron and I'm gonna put it on a plate. Okay, now that our waffle is cooked and crispy and golden brown and we have it on the plate, now we gotta make the toppings. Now to make the toppings, you'll need a blender or a food processor. And then we're gonna add in some banana slices. Look at that banana. And then we're gonna add in some lemon juice. Wow, it's so colorful. And then we're gonna add in the whipped cream. And then blend it all away. And what you'll end up with are some nice banana tasting whipped cream. Okay, now this is entirely up to you, but go ahead and add as much whipped cream as you like. So I have added just a little bit of whipped cream on the side. It looks so yummy already. But the last part we gotta do is add the Fruity Pebbles cereal. So I sprinkle just a little bit of Fruity Pebbles on, but if you want to put more, go right ahead. I can't wait to eat this super yummy, crispy golden brown waffle with Fruity Pebbles. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite cereal is. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe.